Hello everybody, this is a trigonometry question from past papers 2017 May-June exam, variant 2, question number 8, page 16. Now when I read the question, look for the diagram. طيب, okay, the diagram shows a pyramid. The diagram shows a pyramid on a rectangular base, ABCD, on a rectangular base. Look for the base, ABCD. AC and BD, AC and BD intersect at M. This is the intersection point. Okay, and P is vertically above M. Vertically above, this means the angle between PM and the base are 90 degree or right angle. Okay, this is what he mean by vertically above okay, now AB8, AB8, this means that when AB8 half of 8 4, if you need it, AB8 half of 8 4, okay, and BC 6. Now N is the midpoint of BC. This means that this is 3 cm and this is 3 cm. Now calculate the angle P and M. P and M. This is P and M. P and M. Okay. As you see in the diagram, P and M exist on what? On a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. This is right angle triangle. Okay, this side 9 and this side 4. How? Give me your attention. This is P, this is N, and this is M. Okay, look, NM is half of the length, so half of this, half of 8 equals 4. Okay, so simply to find this angle using SOHCAHTOA, look for the this triangle. The opposite side is given, also the adjacent side is given, so you should use what? You should use TOA. So tan N equals the opposite side 9 over 4. So simply N we can found it using tan inverse of 9 over 4. Go to your calculator. You can simply find it. It's 66.037 or 04. Okay, no problem. Now, the next part for this question is B. Question part B show that BM equals to 5 centimeter. BM. Okay, before that I will erase the diagram. Okay. Now go back to the pen. Nice. Okay. Now, show that BM equals 5 centimeter. First of all, where's BM? This is BM. This is BM. Show that it is it's equals to 5 centimeters. BM. Oh, BM. Where's BM? BM exists in this triangle. Sorry. this BM, it is exists on this triangle. This triangle is a right angle triangle because the angle between this and this equals to 90. So if you draw it here, now simply this side equals 3. Okay, we need to show that this hypo equals to 5, and the length of this, as we mentioned before, it's half of AB. This means it's 4. Now simply you can using Pythagoras theorem. X equals square root of 4 square plus 3 square, which is equal square root of 25, which is equal what? 5. Okay, go to the next page. Before that, I will erase the lines on the diagram if we need to go back to this type. Okay, now part C, calculate the angle between PB and the base. PB and the base. Go back to the question where PB and the base. PB, this is PB and the base. So this line. PB and the base. PB and the base. Okay? Note that this is 9. This is 9. And this is what? This is 5. So the question need to find the angle between PB and the base. Yani he means this angle. Okay? I will graph it in the next page. So this is triangle. Okay. This is M. This is B. And this is 5. This is P and 9. Simply you can use it. You can find it using what? SOHCAHTOA. Why SOHCAHTOA? We use SOHCAHTOA in case of right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. So the opposite is given. Also the adjacent is given. So tan B equals to 9 over what? 5. This means that apply tan inverse for both sides. Tan inverse of 9 over 5 equals to what? Equals to, using your calculator, 60.9. Okay? Very good. Now the last part D. The last part D. A point X. A point X is on PC. Where's X? Wait until I will erase it. Type. A point X on PC. X on PC. This X. Oh, sorry. This X. Okay. A point X is on PC. So that BX 7.5. This is 7.5. Okay. Calculate BX. So BX, this is BX. Note that PB given, or we can simply find it. Okay, this is a right angle. It's not right angle, sorry, it's not right angle. Okay, now I will graph it in the next page. Look, this X and this P and this B. This is 7.5. Okay, to find BX, you should find PB also this angle. Okay, so how can I find PB? How can I find PB? Go back to the diagram. Where's PB? This is PB, okay? It exists on this triangle. This is right angle triangle. So simply you can find PB, 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 9, 5, find this. You can use it using Pythagoras theorem. X equals the square root of 9 square plus 5 square, which is equal, using your calculator, 10.29. Okay, 10.29. So go back, 10.29. Okay, so the next step, you should find this angle. Okay, angle XPB. Go back to the diagram. This angle XPB, XPB. You should find this angle. Okay, I will erase the screen. This is the pen. Okay, so the next step, find the angle. This angle. Simply you can find this angle by divide this triangle into two halves. This is a small right angle triangle. This side is given equals to 3, and this side also we found it in the previous part, 10.29. So you can use SOHCAHTOA to find this angle. Let this angle equals X. Okay, the opposite side is given, also the hypo is given. This means that X equals sine inverse of 3 over 10.29. Using your calculator, X equals 16.29. But you should find the whole angle. It's half of angle, so double it. When you double it, the angle 2x equals 33.9. Okay, go back to the next diagram. This is 33.9. Okay, now to find BX, this is non-right angle triangle. Okay, so you cannot use SOHCAHTOA. Also, two sides are given and included angle. This means that you should use cosine rule. So BX equals the square root of the first side square, 10.29 square, plus the second side, 7.5 square, minus 2 multiplied by 10.29 multiplied by 7.5 multiplied by cosine the included angle, which is 33.9, under the square root. Using your calculator to find it, it's simply equal, I think BX equals 5.83. Thank you.